Some Gold IRA companies disappear after your account is set up. But how do you know if you're getting real lifelong support? After you open a Gold IRA, the real journey begins. Unfortunately, some companies leave you on your own. No guidance, no follow up, just complete silence. The Welcome to Augusta guide outlines a different approach. It explains that their team stays with you for the life of your account, offering help with contributions, distributions, and even transfers if you ever need them. You can reach out anytime with questions and they will walk you through the process. I'll link this one in the description so you can read it in full. It's a great example of what ongoing support should look like no matter which provider you choose. This guide is part of Augusta's free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. That's 8 PDFs in total. Each one covers a different piece of precious metals investing process so you can make confident, well-informed decisions from start to finish. Download the bundle, go through this guide, and compare what it says with the service you're being offered. It's free, beginner friendly, and will give you a clear idea of whether your provider will be there for the long run. The link's in the description.